I am at a restaurant in the Anantara, the Palm Resort in Dubai. On the Palm, actually, the islands, kind of just outside of Dubai Internet City. In this restaurant, and it's kind of Southeast Asian and Chinese influenced. Very unusual decor. Shutters in the wall, parasol in the middle, and just kind of a very cool feeling, just very relaxing. Water everywhere. I wonder if this is teak. So they certainly put a lot of thought into the design of this restaurant. And of course you want to see the food, right? Well, they have some pretty darn good sounding stuff. And this is called, for example, miang kham. So miang kham means basically a bite of something, and then actually it's wrapped in leaf. Miang is wrapped in leaf and kham is bite. So you wrap everything in this betel leaf. So you have peanuts, cucumber, chili, onion, and peanut sauce. The old standard, the satay. So we have chicken and beef, and we have a peanut sauce, and there's kind of a vinegary one. And this is tom yum, which I've tried already, and I said, don't go easy, man, I want to get some Thai spicy in here. And they did not disappoint. This is good stuff. But you can at least taste all of the flavors in there too. The mushroom, and I'm sorry, I have not slept in about 48 hours, so I'm not so coherent right now, so it's kind of amusing to talk about it. But shrimp, red pepper, I love the button mushrooms, and I'm not really sure what else I ordered. I must look disheveled because the airline lost my bag. Flying lost my bag. And of course, looking disheveled has nothing to do with them. I just have to be a little more practical about what I'm wearing. So maybe I'll go raid a store tomorrow or something. But meanwhile, the food is very good here at the Anantara, the Palm, and the Mekong, and I look forward to trying more. For the main dish, I ordered Phad Kaprao Gung. Certainly butchered that one. And what I like about this place, it shows the flag, Thai flag, Chinese. It's a specialty of the restaurant, and it's going to be spicy because I asked for it that way. That looks fun. And I can't imagine how spicy it would be because, again, I'm just being the sacrificial lamb, going as piquant as possible. Served with some black sticky rice to maybe calm down the spice. Maybe I should get some bananas or cucumbers to help with it. But this is a good restaurant. Everything I've tried so far has been quite good. And then I decided to get a mocktail. It's the Crouching Dragon Hidden Tiger. And lychee, chili, passion fruit. Sure, grenadine. What is this? Shirley Temple. And here's the finished product with the piece of dragon fruit on top. So that must be the Crouching Dragon. What does this say? I am not plastic. Okay. Well, isn't that? But that's a start. So let's see. Ooh, a lot of lychee. I guess of all those flavors, lychee would be the strongest. Although usually guava just seems to be the strongest smell. But that's very good. And everything else has been really good. That peanut sauce with the satay has got something going on. And I should order more of it. I just noticed that they had a special of salt and pepper squid. And I don't know what exclusive for HB is, but homebodies? I don't know. That's confusing. So I decided to get it. So it looks standard issue, but salt and pepper squid, and I think China does very good squid. And of course, the people already know by now that I love spicy, so they made some crazy chili stuff. They put the first one in soy sauce, and the second is just chili oil. So, ouch.